In this video is the latest update on Over Protocol and its partnership with OKX Wallet, the most decentralized blockchain network, which is backed with individuals with over 1 million daily active users. Over Protocol is on the verge of another milestone toward its mainnet with free extra 10 Over Protocol token daily to be claimed and winning a potential airdrop on OKX Wallet. If this interests you, the best thing you can do right now is to hit the subscribe button, like this video and turn on the notification bell, as I will be dropping more important updates on Over Protocol and other new and best crypto airdrop updates back to back for you. The new Over Protocol update reads launch of an airdrop event in partnership with OKX. So you need to download the OKX Web3 and the link is in the description and join the Cryptopedia Season 16. You can earn text token every day and dive into the Over Protocol Open Beta Testnet Season 2. See the guide on how you can claim the new Over Airdrop daily. Launch your OKX wallet and click on Discover. Tap on Cryptopedia. If you are not having the OKX Web3 wallet on your phone, go to this video description and download the OKX Web3. If you have an OKX account already, just switch to the wallet and go to Discovery. Locate the crypto media and click on Over Protocol and locate Over Protocol. So it reads network setup. To access the Cryptopedia event, go to wallet settings from the top left of the OKX wallet homepage and select custom network. Then search for Over Protocol and choose confirm to update the configuration. I understand. So you are getting 10 over daily reward. Connect your OKX wallet and verify. You can start now. Claim the wallet. Claim 10 over daily. So let's verify. Start now. Confirm. Enter your login email address on Over Wallet. So a notification was sent to confirm your Over Wallet account. Confirm request for OKX. Confirmation successful. Please return to OKX and access the Cryptopedia page to verify. Tap verify on Cryptopedia. So I have to go back and tap on verify. Successful. Congrats, it's verified that you have completed the quest. Okay, so claiming of 10 daily token was also completed, and as how you claim your Over Protocol in partnership with OKX Wallet 3. On the Over Protocol, when you go to settings and tap on OKX and Over, you will see that you are verified. Your Over wallet account has now been verified on OKX. And on the history, you will see another 10 Over token that has been credited to your Over Protocol wallet account. Don't forget to share this to your friends in the crypto world through social media platforms. Step 2 to confirm this process is for you to head on to your Over Protocol app, go to settings and tap on event. You will see the OKX and Over on the menu. Tap on it and join the quest and get Over Protocol through the following steps. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing updates just like this. See you in my next top video on crypto updates.